Welcome back. Today we're calculating this order of operations problem. 7 minus 5, open parentheses, 7 minus 5, close parentheses. This simple expression trips up a lot of people because the numbers repeat. Let's solve it step by step using PEMDAS. Let's look at why people get 4. They see 7 minus 5 in the front and subtract immediately to get 2. Then multiply by 2 inside the parentheses to get 4. But subtracting before multiplying is a major violation of PEMDAS. According to the order of operations, we must always resolve the operation inside the parentheses first. That means our very first step is to evaluate the interior, 7 minus 5. Step 1. Subtract 7 minus 5 inside the parentheses, which equals 2. Substituting 2 back into our expression leaves us with 7 minus 5 times 2. Now we have subtraction and multiplication remaining. Since multiplication takes priority over subtraction, we must evaluate 5 times 2 before subtracting. Step 2. Multiply 5 by 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. Substituting 10 back in simplifies our expression to 7 minus 10. Step 3. Perform the remaining subtraction. 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 equals negative 3. So our true final answer is negative 3.